We are asked to determine if this statement is always true, sometimes true, or never true. The product, which is multiplication, of a rational number and an irrational number is irrational. So let's try to think of some examples. Let's take a rational number. How about 3 times an irrational number? How about times pi? Well, that's just 3 pi, and that will remain irrational. Let's think about this in terms of square roots. The square root of 16 would be rational because it's a perfect square. And how about the square root of 5, since that's not a perfect square? Well, the square root of 16 would be 4, and that'd be times the square root of 5. That's still irrational. Now, the number 0 is also a rational number. So let's use 0 as our rational number. And let's just use pi as our irrational. Well, 0 times pi is just 0. So that is a rational product. So when we have 0 as our rational number times any irrational number, it's going to end up as 0 because 0 times any value is 0. So here we're going to get a rational product. So this has to be sometimes true. Since we have some cases where it is true and a case where it is not true.